Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, I'm going to sneak in two videos today because this one I'm going to do an unboxing. I promised Tammy I would open it on camera. Well, obviously it's a book, and she told me which book it was, but I didn't peek. Like, I didn't go running to go look at pages from it. I've only seen what she showed me, and she showed me some teaser pages. One that she had done that was really, really good. She's a talented lady, and I just mentioned, oh, it's a beautiful book. It's a beautiful page, and she's like, oh, I have to send it to you. And the next thing I know, the book was at my house, and I cannot wait to open this. And I've been staring at this package for 2 days because I wanted to get the drawing demos done first. So now you get to see me open it. Oh, look at this book. Tammy, this is beautiful. Rory Dobner and the Ink House. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. That's really cute. This looks like it's a really good quality book. Look how thick the cover is. The Ink House. Tammy, this is so cute. I'm like, this is the page she did. I recognize it. Oh, look at that. She did a fabulous job on this. I really should show off her work. Oh my God, how did you get the detail that you did in this? Oh geez, me and you should do a page together. We should pick one out. Oh, I love this. Look at the stonework and the 3D. Wow. I love ink. And there's a story. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, look at the work that went into this ink. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. This guy is talented. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. The pages are really thick. His work is gorgeous. Butterflies, hats, birds. Oh gosh, look at that. It's a test. What type of... This is a test. How did he shade this? Cross-hatching. Oh, if I was able to keep pens, like, I keep some pens, but they dry up really quickly here. If I can keep pens, oh my gosh, I would so do pen and ink. Look how nice that is. I bet you he used Copics. I would never dare draw in this book. If I'm going to do one of these pages, I'm going to make a copy of it. Look at that. I love monkeys. That's my favorite animal, is the monkey. I always said I wanted a pet monkey. My husband won't let me have one. That's been a thing with us our whole lives. I've always said I want a monkey. He tells me no. Then I move on. And a week later, I tell him, I want a monkey. And he tells me no. And we just keep doing that for the last 40 years. Oh, look at the pugs. Wow. Tammy, thank you. This book is fabulous. Wow. So cute. The artist is returning. I would be so scared to screw this up. No wonder why you were nervous. Ugh. This is not one of those books I would make a mistake in. I have a couple of them where I'll do my half page. Oh, I love this. I would do this page. Yeah, I have a couple of books I won't touch because I know me and I'll just do a half page. And the books are too pretty. Wow. This is awesome. I think I'm going to do that tree. I love this. This is going to be my first one in this. You up to the challenge, Tammy? Okay, guys. Thank you, Tammy. This is beautiful. I love this book. I love it that it's from you. I'm going to be putting up another video today. It's the demo of the hair demo. And sometime today I should be getting my graphite pencils, and I think I'm going to do another one. And we'll call it a day with that book, unfortunately. So I will see you guys later on today. Take care. Bye-bye.